Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Roblox Studio, and I would like to show today how to change the player's speed and height of his jump in Roblox Studio. So I have a player and it's run, but so slowly, and it can jump, but not very high. So to change the height of jump and the speed, let's go to our Explorer, and in Explorer I will find starter player. Click on it, and here you can see a lot of properties of your player, and let's find character jump settings. This is for his jump height, and I will change it. I'll do it 50 for example. Okay, and let me find else character walk speed. Okay, and I will change it to 60 for example. Okay, let's see now. Play. Oh, I think it's faster and higher. That's it. Thank you. Bye.